What up, guys? So we're here back on the Silverado. Welcome to Low Budget Builds. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna replace this guy right here. See how he's all torn up? I ordered another one from the eBay. I will have the link on the description. So on this guy, in order to get this guy off, you take these guys here. These aren't the right bolts that are supposed to be on here, so when I put it together, I'll put the right bolts in. Should come right out.
Oh, I got one more left.
That's why. See, this is the right size bolt that's supposed to have in here. And a screw. These are the ones that should have. So you take this guy out. The boom. And then you take that guy off of there. And you take this guy off of here. Underneath, right in the front, there's two bolts. Here, let me see that. There's two nuts actually. There is a 10 right here, right? And then there's a 10 on the other side, or 12 actually, right there. And then you're losing those guys up, and you pull this guy forward and up, and it comes right out. Obviously, you have to remove the clips that hold on these wires here. And let me go grab the tool for that, and then we'll be right back.
I know.
All right, guys. So you gotta unplug this guy and this guy. So this guy plugs in right here. Okay, and then this little guy plugs in right here. Can you guys see it? Can you guys follow it with my right there? There and there. And then obviously these two. This is the heated seat version, so it takes a while for it to come off. If you didn't have the heated seats, it's literally just this plug, and it comes right out, and this guy. So now that we got it out, here she is, and then we'll meet up with you guys when it's inside the house and we're ripping it out. So we are inside the house. This is pretty straightforward. It has the seat has like little clips. So see, it has like a trim, and that trim, all these clips go in the area in here. And they come and they go right in there. So you just turn like this and get them out. Kind of turn up. Make sure you're getting the whole process from over here, all right? You just turn these guys up. That's the front, and now the back. You just kind of clip on. Fun part. That's right off. This guy I already ordered. He's supposed to be hooked onto there, so I will be replacing this later.
Those always break on those seats. They always break. It's rare to find one of the truck that doesn't have that broken.
Now, if you guys need to replace the foam, they also sell the foam. I believe it's $50 for the foam. Here's the old one. Done deal. Okay. Now here comes the new one.
Brand new condom.
Brand new, bro. It just goes right over.
Remember, always use protection.
Right? Let's go right over. Jose's doing a PSA, public service announcement, and it's right in here. Now you're gonna have to jiggle and wiggle and fiddle your way around.
Just like with anything else of this nature.
Anything else. on there. Okay. And that goes there. And she is all nice and reupholstery. These guys down.
Looks brand new.
It's brand spanking new. I'll show mold to the side. Now for here, you just cut out the push it down like this, like so.
Oh yeah, you have to cut
And then
that out.
slice. What I do is I slice here, 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 and here. If you want it specifically, you push down the middle. We just slice about a 3-inch, and then half inch, half inch, half inch, half inch.
It has to be that
And
way.
that's it.
Yeah,
It
so
just
that way
sits
it's
right in there.
perfectly.
And you'll get that little hole. And the reason why I do that is because if you get the one that's cut out, it's like $60. So if you want to avoid the hassle of having to cut that out, $60. This one was only $23, 23 and some change. So the link will be somewhere. I mean, the picture will be somewhere around here, but the link will be down below in the description.
Yeah.
All right, so there she is, guys. So there's that. I just gotta get 3 bolts for here.
Original
change that
bolts.
one. Yeah, change those out. So put this back on the truck, and then we'll be cut up once it's installed. All right, guys. So there she is, all nice and pretty. Jose's out like always, but there it is, all nice and pretty. For $23, I don't see a better solution than that. I mean, once you sit on it, it'll mold itself to everything, and it'll be fine. I'll probably pull that further back later, but other than that, she's really nice. Yeah, see, it'll adjust, and then I'll yank her back some more. Yeah, but there you go. Until next time, guys.